Welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Chaya and today I'm trying out a new look, sort of festive desi look for me to try out because I do not really do my makeup like this, but this is the inspo for today and I'm gonna be trying out while recording. So yeah, let's get started. Of course, my first step would be to pin my hair back. Once again, I have these very pretty, my Melody clips from Daiso that I used to pin my hair back. Now I'm gonna be putting my liner, and for that, as you all can see in the picture, the person, they have put the wing over here on the upper eyelid and on the lower eyelid as well. They have followed both of the lash lines, and I'll be doing the very same. And I really love her. She does makeup so well. I follow her Instagram. So now, as you must have seen in my previous Get Ready With Me, I usually join these lines, but today my inspiration does not have that, so I won't be joining these two. Instead, I'll be having a sort of gap in between, and let's see how it turns out on me. Pretty well on this eye, as you all can see. I have made this tiny corner over here. I have lined this tiny corner over here because it was there in the inspo. मैं खुद कुछ भी नहीं कर रही हूँ, ये inspo में था, that is why I'm doing this. And I guess I'll have to thicken a bit on my upper lash line. See how it makes my eyes look so elongated. See. Now I'm done with liner on both of my eyes. I'll be following more fair. First of all, I'm gonna go in with my base because I've not done it yet. I do my liner first and then I do my base. So if I happen to fumble with my eyeliner, I'm able to hide it with the concealer and my base and all everything. So yeah, that is why I do my liner first. Along with that, after that, I'll be going in with my other basic steps. And the main thing in this makeup look is just the blush placement and the liner, the eye makeup and the blush placement. Everything other than that is just simple. So yeah, this won't be much long. So I'm gonna be starting with colorating my face with the help of this Insight concealer palette. I'm gonna take this orange shade and just dab it under my eyes. I'm gonna be using two shades of concealers of Swiss Beauty, 06 and 02. First I'm gonna go with 06 because it's a bit close to my shade, and I'm just gonna be drawing a triangle over here. Same as with on the other eye. And then I'm not gonna be waiting for it to blend it. I'm gonna put it over here, rub it here. I'm using the lighter shade. That's it. Now I'm gonna be blending it. As you all can see, I'm done with the concealer. I'm not gonna set it with the setting spray. I'm gonna be using this Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer spray. Let it dry for a few minutes and then I'm gonna go in with my base. So now that my setting spray is all set, I'm gonna be going in with my skin tint. This is Swiss Beauty Select Super Radiant Skin Tint, and I'm just putting it all over my face. So I'm not gonna going in direct with it onto my face. Sorry, I'm gonna first put it on the back of my hand, and then with the help of a brush, I'm gonna put it over my face. I'm gonna do a bit of bronzer. I'm using Swiss Beauty Sculpt Contour Palette, and I'm gonna be using this to just lift my face a bit. I'm taking this light brown shade, just dab out the excess, and then slide it over a little bit over here. It's a beautiful shadow on my face. And since I have very high cheekbones and prominent cheekbones, I'm gonna be using this to hide this part a little. You can see how it creates a dimension on my face. Put it a bit over here. Last before over here. Now I'm gonna again set my face with setting spray and let it sit. After this, I'm gonna go in with my blush. Now that the setting spray is set, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline New York Fit Me Matteless Poreless Setting Powder. Compact, basically. I'm gonna take this product, dab it over here, this one over here, and start setting everything. Now I'm gonna go in with my blush. I'm gonna be using this Swiss Beauty Take Me Anywhere palette. And I have this beautiful blush shades over here. I'll be taking these a bit, taking out the excess product. And first of all, I'm taking this small brush to contour my nose. I contour my nose with the help of blush because I feel that it makes it look way more natural and just cuter. Now I'm gonna be doing my usual blush. Take a fluffy brush, take the product all over it, and just place it just above your contour. I think I put a bit too much, but it's okay. As I saw in the inspo, the blush placement that she did was right under her eye. I'm gonna be doing the very same. The person whose makeup that I'm taking as inspo does not initially have anything over their eyelid, but I feel that I want something to make this pop up for myself because I am gonna be wearing ethnic today, so I want it to look like. I'm gonna be just using this Swiss Beauty Dual Passport for Face and Eyes palette, and I have taken this because this is the blush shade only. This is dark pink, and I'm wearing a dark pink suit only, so I think I guess it would work on. I'm just gonna make it have a pop of glitter because I love it that way. So I'm gonna be using this Roman glitter eye palette, and I'm gonna be using this shade right over here. I'm gonna be using a very small brush to do this because I'm not just gonna like put on glitter directly. So yeah. So now I have put the room eyelids. I'm gonna be using this shade right over here. It's a pinkish goldenish shade. I'm gonna be using this to just highlight the corners of my lip. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes and use my mascara. For my lips, I'm gonna be lining my lips first. I'm going with something very simple but still something that would look good with this. So first I'm gonna line my lips with a dark brown lip liner. It's from Glam 21. I'm using Maybelline New York Super Wonder Ink. It's in the shade 62 Irresistible. I'm not gonna put the whole of it. Just a dab and a dab. The film starts forming pretty fast, so I have to be quick and just fill in the lips. It looks so much good. But this is not it. I'm not gonna stop here. I'm also gonna put a lip tint over it so I can break it off. So I have this Mars Cosmetics Drip Lip Mist in the shade Cranberry Drip 05. It gave a beautiful reddish tone to my lips. Which goes very much with my eye makeup today. Now for finishing the whole look, I'm gonna be doing my hair, putting on my bindi and then my outfit, and then I'll be showing you out. This is the bindi, and now I think I have forgot putting the highlighter, so I'm gonna put my light highlighter. I'm gonna be using the champagne shade highlighter. I'm using the highlighter from this very same palette. It's here, right over here. It's a champagne shade highlighter. So this is the final look. I have braided my hair because I just felt it look cuter this way. This is the final look.